how to recognize authentic letters of administration or probate. Hi, my name is Joan Asiingwire and welcome back to Law with Joan. I'm so glad to have you here today. It's very important for you to know how to recognize letters of administration or letters of probate. Why? Because if you're buying inherited land, you're going to be availed such letters. Now, today, there are a lot of forged letters, fake letters, expired letters on the market. And if you do not know that, you're going to fall prey to being cheated or be defrauded. And another thing, this is one way a seller can show you that they are the right owner or showing their ownership rights. Now, for instance, there are very many people out there that do not know that letters of administration or letters of probate expire after 2 years and they're supposed to be renewed. So you might be dealing with the wrong person. Now, the first step in identifying the correct letters is looking at the letters and identifying, do they have a court seal? After identifying the court that issued these letters, you proceed to that same court and ask them to check in the records to see if the file is existent in the registry. Now, once you are availed with that file, you're going to look out. Is this the right administrator that I'm dealing with? Is this the right person that was entrusted with the letters of probate that I'm dealing with? You're going to compare and contrast with the letters that you have. Are they the ones on the file? So that way you can prove that this is the right person I'm dealing with and the right letters that you have in your hands are the ones. Now, the third step that you're going to do is you're going to ask for a copy of a national ID so that you can compare with the one that the seller gave you to know that these are the same people. Now, the fourth step, you need to really find out if there are no conflicts on this line, because sometimes you can find that the family is dissatisfied with the current administrator, the family is dissatisfied with the current heir or the person who was entrusted with the letters of probate, and they are bringing a case against him or her to remove them and appoint a new one. You do not want to involve yourself in land that has conflicts already. Now, it's very important for you to deal with the right person. That's why it's very important for you to engage a professional while you are dealing with such land. Because at the end of the day, even if you avail that land title, even if you avail those transfer forms, even if you avail those letters and you take them at land's office, the first thing that the registrar will do is to verify, are you dealing with the right person? They're going to go to the same court. And if you didn't do your due diligence right, and they find out that you're dealing with the wrong person, the transfer won't take place. This is why you find that like they sold the heir to that person. So some people are very hesitant to engage professional help because they feel it's so expensive. But at the end of the day, you're going to lose out a lot. First of all, you've lost your money. You don't have land to show for it. These fraudsters are very sharp. They know what they're doing. Once they get that money, they disappear. Imagine you have to engage more money to recover your money. What if they don't find this person? Sometimes you don't even have the money to come against this person. So you're losing a lot. And we know that land is not a cheap asset. You're investing a lot. So for you to have value for your money, please always engage someone to help you with such land transactions. Sometimes you find that you've invested money and the right person shows up and realize that you invested money in the wrong person. And the only solution you have at this point is to just recover your money from court. Now, under the law, anyone who intermeddles with the estate of a deceased can be confined to 10 years imprisonment and can be given a fine of 20 million. Now, that's the only solution you have at this point. If you know anyone buying land or buying inherited land, kindly share this video to them. You'll be helping them a lot. And don't forget to like this video because it pushes out this information to the people that actually need it. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates that I post. I love you. Stay blessed. God bless you.